This project was produced using Universe Sandbox 2 for Astronomy 101 at the University of Washington. Astronomers theorize that a collision between a Mars-sized object and a proto-Earth was what caused the formation of the Moon. During the project, I ran dozens of simulations over the course of an afternoon. Here's an example of just one of them with rather interesting results. Upon collision, planetary matter is flung throughout space. The majority of the chunks come down to rest back on Earth. However, some of the matter begins orbiting Earth. Astronomers predict that over multiple large collisions like this, matter built up in orbit to form what we now see today as our Moon. Still, we have much to discover about our own personal satellite. Thanks for watching.